Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As Diwali is soon approaching, I bring you a Diwali special series on my channel. This includes easy to make sweet and snack recipes. You can check the link for the entire series in the description box. Now let's get cooking with the last recipe of the series, which is shev, or in Konkani we call it Kare. In a large bowl, hold a strainer and sift 2 cups of gram flour or besan. We need to do this to get rid of any lumps in the flour. Once you have sifted the flour, in that add salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Now add little water at a time and start making the dough. We will add only that much water where the dough starts coming together. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and knead the dough. Add 2 more tablespoons of oil and knead well to get a smooth dough. Do check the seasoning. Divide the dough into 2 portions. I am going to use a shev making tool. I have placed the medium shev attachment and applied some oil on the inside. Add the dough into this and close the lid. Heat oil on medium-low flame. Check if the oil is hot by dropping a small piece of dough. It should rise instantly. Now slowly start turning the handle of the tool and you can see the shev coming out. Move the tool in circular motion and once you have enough quantity, cut the shev with your hands. As soon as you add shev, oil will start bubbling up. Once the bubbles reduce, turn over and cook on other side. Once the bubbles reduce completely and shev gets a light golden color, drain the oil and take it out. Fry the remaining dough in the same way. Enjoy crispy shev at home this Diwali, and if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.